Icon, were there any of the classes or any of the faculty or staff who influenced you in your trajectory as a human, but also, you know, as an artist?
Right. I feel like all my teachers really, I just love the vibe of being at Icon, just how chill everyone is. Yeah, I just felt very comfortable asking questions or whatever, and the whole Icon fam is very supportive, and I really appreciate how they want to support our careers and stuff.
So in terms of production, what's your favorite part of the process?
My favorite part is probably finding a cool sound that I start with. Either it's a vocal I did, or I'll record something on my phone. And then later in the process, I really like doing just creative vocal stuff, using my vocals that I recorded.
You're walking this line of singer-songwriter, but then you've got the EDM realm going on, and now you're DJing. I'm curious what that has been like for you, stepping into performances and DJing.
It's funny, I used to be terrified of everything, just being on stage and whatnot, and I didn't even know if I wanted to do DJing because of that. I knew I wanted to do it deep inside, but that fear was kind of just not, just blocking me from wanting to do that. But then once I did it, it was probably the best thing I've ever experienced.
At the top of Icon, when you're going through the application process, they ask you about your 1-year, 5-year, and 10-year goals. I'm curious if there's any of them that have come true for you.
I have a list of some of them in my phone. I feel everything that I've kind of wanted and worked towards has happened so far, so I'm trying to think bigger now, which is scary, but yeah, I'm pretty sure 90% of the things I wrote at Icon have come to life for me.